In this lesson, we will examine generics. As you can see, I have defined a struct named point that represents the x and y planes with integer values. Let's create an example of this struct and print it. Everything works fine. Suppose I also need a version of this struct where I can enter values of type F64. This way we can do it and set an example. Sometimes you may need the same build in different types. Now, if I want to type U8, it will start to get very complicated if we define a new struct using the same method. Maybe it can be used in fields that contain types that you create. Instead of this approach, we use generics. Let's delete our second struct and rearrange the first one. The letter T here has become a tradition in general and is written to represent generics. You can write other letters or words if you want. As you can see, it worked again without any problems. Sometimes you can work with more than one different type. For example, let's say I want to make the X field U8 and the Y field U16 from the point struct that creates the P1 variable. When defining multiple types, commas are placed between them. If you want, let's simplify it a bit so that it is not complicated. I will rearrange this struct using the characters T and U. This way you can work with multiple different types. If you noticed, it worked in the struct with type float. This actually means that one of the types may be different. There is no requirement that it must be different.